Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my mini size dashboard layout, and I am going to be using some of the pretty blue florals out of 𝗟𝗡𝗚𝗏𝗏𝗡's Roy G. Biv sticker book. So I've already gotten my stickers chosen, and so we will be planning for the first week in May, so May 3rd through the 9th. And this is probably going to be a pretty quick video because, like I said, I've already got my stickers chosen. I kind of already know what I'm going to be doing. So let's just see what we can do here. I can't remember exactly what I got planned. So the struggle is real, right? Okay, so the stickers that I chose, the florals anyways, are, let me try to get this one off of the wax paper here. I think I want to use this one, actually. This one is pretty big. That's the only downfall about Heather's sticker books, is her florals are huge. So I think I would kind of rather put together smaller florals. I don't know if I like that at all, honestly. So let's put that down there and just hang on just a minute. Let's try to use a smaller one. Uh-oh. Just tore a sticker. Ugh. Alright. That's what happens when you choose your stickers like 5 days ahead of time. So I actually had this laying on top of another sticker, and I ripped it, but that's okay because that part is clear and I can just cut it off. Alright, so now let's see. Maybe I want to take this and go down here at the bottom. I think that's what I want to do. Let's white out this pink focus box. And maybe I could use the bigger blue ones if I do that. So let's go back to the original plan. Sorry guys. We'll get there sometime. So let's go back to these, and I don't want to use like the whole thing. So we're going to put like part of it, take part of it off of the page, and just do that. And then maybe I can use these on something else. If not, it's okay. So we'll put that back down there, and then let's cut this part off. Now I am going to have to cut out my little hole punches, my disc punches, but that's no big deal either. Okay, so let's put that there, and then let's see, I messed up this black box, so let's see if she's got another black box in here, or maybe I got those boxes. Oh, there's one. I think I may want to put a box here, maybe. So let's white out this and try to cover this with a black box, and then probably just put in some other boxes. Heather does have a lot of bullet points in her sticker book that you can use, so I think I'm going to fill in some empty spots with some sticker books. Let's just white this out. Okay, so we'll put that there, and then I think I'm going to stagger a blue box with a floral. I think I'm going to stagger this here, maybe, but I am going to white out this black line here all the way down so that it won't show behind my sticker. So let's try to line this up straight. Not too bad, okay. Sorry. And then maybe I could come in with one more, like right here. I think I'm going to take out some of this black box that shows in this blue sticker too, just so you can't see that. And then I think we'll stagger this here, but we're going to have to take out some of this blue box as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so that's pretty cute there. Alright, let's move to this side now. I think I'm just going to probably leave the to-buy list as is. Not sure. I may change that. We'll see. So, let's try now with some of my, this other floral that I was going to try to put down. So this was, don't stick. Only problem, like I said, with Heather's flowers is they're so big. They're really not mini happy planner friendly. But we are going to go with it. I think that's still going to turn out kind of cute. So let's cut this off. There. And then I don't think I'll be able to use these again in another spread. But like I said, I'm okay with that. I mean, I probably could get by with using them. But I don't like them when they're cut like in straight lines on the top and the bottom. I really don't like using those by themselves. So we'll see. Alright, actually I could take this and put it down here in this corner. That was just a little leftover piece from the top. And I think I'm just going to fill in with a couple boxes on this side and maybe some bullet points. I really would love to use these boxes, but they're just so big. They're just so big. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Okay, I'm going to use these smaller boxes that she's got, and I realized my mistake. So, I pre-planned this spread, and I grabbed the wrong stickers. So I actually had, these aren't even the ones, I planned on using these stickers with my horizontal spread. So that's why this isn't working out as planned, but it is okay. We're going to make it work. I can always improvise and cover up a mix-up. So that's always doable. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in with some bullet points, I think. And I wonder what kind of flowers. So we do have only a couple small flowers here. So I think I'm going to take this and maybe come in. Oh, we're going to put that on some wax paper. That is super sticky. I think I heard Heather say that they do come up easy though, but we're not going to trust that. It will be my luck that they don't. So let's see. I wish that I could put, we're going to put it right here. And then come around that with some boxes. And I think I'm going to take this sticker and put it right underneath this black sticker. Because I think I'm going to end up having to put another black sticker down. And so I kind of want to break all the black away. So that it's not too black right there. Alright, so let's take this one. Yeah, because I don't want, we're going to put this here, actually. Oh, sticky, 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 sticky. And then I think I'm going to put a blue one there. And I don't know if I'll even fill in with some bullet points or not. I think that's kind of cute there. I do kind of wish I had something up here. So maybe No, maybe I'll take one of these florals, the smaller ones, and put up there. Maybe this. Ah, stuck. Yeah, I think we're going to do that. And then I think we'll take the other piece and go right beside it. See what this looks like. Okay, that's cute. Yeah, I think that is cute. Okay, so I'm going to have to repunch. So where is my punch? Just this side needs to be repunched. So I don't have many markers on this punch, so I'm just trying to get as close as I can. And that worked, but this punch does not like punching plastic or like clear stickers, so I'm going to have to cut these out. I probably need a new punch. These punches don't last very long. Okay. Alright, so let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there and follow me there too. So this is it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.